for 20 seconds.
So today we're going to be making breakfast. I'm making waffles. We're going to have bacon, and then we're going to have eggs. So we're going to teach you guys how to make a good breakfast this morning. So Kathy and Richard are cracking some eggs in a bowl. Make sure we don't get no shells in our eggs. So Kathy is going to turn on the stove at like medium.
Yeah, 4 or 5-ish.
4 or 5 medium temperature to get this pan hot. And you said we need oil?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna grab some oil.
You could try butter.
Or butter. So we got some butter in our pan so the eggs can cook in it. There we go.
We're not going to put salt because some people can't have salt. Now we're going to wait for this to cook. Stir it occasionally and wait for it to get fluffy. They're almost done. Oh, look at that.
I already have our egg in here. It calls for 1 egg. Next, it calls for 2 cups of the pancake mix. So we have a measuring cup right here. We're gonna scoop out 1 cup. And make sure that it's a cup. There we go. Put it in there. And we're gonna scoop out 1 more cup. Calls for 1 1/3 cup of milk. So we're going to use our measuring cup here. We're going to fill this up with milk. Pour it in. And then it calls for 1/3 cup. That is this one here. We're going to fill this one up. Pour it in. And next, we have to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So we have our tablespoon here. We're going to pour it in here twice. Once all of that is added, we're going to start mixing it up. And when you mix it, it's okay to leave a little bit of lumps to keep them a little fluffy. Once it's mixed, we're going to use our spray to spray onto the waffle maker so it doesn't stick. And we're going to use a small measuring cup to scoop it out. And add however much you need to cover the waffle line. Okay, and now we have our batter on there. Now we're going to close it, lock it up, and we're going to check it every once in a while to make sure they're not burning. No, 5 minutes.